skies declare the glory of God. The skies they proclaim all works of His hands. Day after day they pour forth their speech. Night after night they display His knowledge. No speech, nor any language where their voice is not heard. Their voice, it goes out into the ends of all of the earth. Their words to the world. He has pitched a tent for the sun. It's like a bridegroom coming forth from his pavilion, like a champion running his race and rejoicing. From the heat of the sun, nothing can hide. It rises at one end of the sky, goes to the other. It's like a champion running his race and rejoicing.